My name is Adam Walker from Atlanta, Georgia, by way of Homestead, Pennsylvania. I'm the founder and CEO of Summit Packaging Solutions. Here at Summit, our mission is to protect the brands of our customers by providing packaging solutions you can trust.
Our slogan at Summit is protecting products and preserving brands. The products that come through this building are going out to people's families. We have other customers that entrust us with their brands, so it's all about building that trust and that relationship.
The biggest challenge I think we all face in the industry right now is cost. It's the cost pressure coming from our customers to take costs down, and it's the cost pressure from our vendors to increase costs. And the really only solution for us in that is to get innovative and find solutions that win for us and for our customers. The software has been critical in terms of how we have been more flexible with our customers. And it's really all about visibility, plain and simple, nothing more than visibility. The more visible we have information, the quicker we can react and make decisions. And it's been very helpful to have software there to do that.
So Nulogy gives us a single repository for all of our data. We're able to do inspections on inbound with trucks. We are able to keep track of the products coming into and out of our production lines. It really allows us to have a single source for the data that we can pull and then utilize to do tracking and trending. It's all about making sure that when you need the information, you can find it quickly. Nulogy allows us to pull that information down very fast, whereas in the past, there's a lot of paper-based work, really trying to going through multiple documents to find the information. Now with Nulogy, you can pull that information down quickly and have it done in a matter of minutes as opposed to a matter of hours.
Since bringing on Nulogy, we've had some major wins in the business. We operate 2 sites for a major CPG. 8 years ago, those sites were failing. Today, they are top of the network out of 6. And a large part of that is to do with the fact that we put Nulogy in, and Nulogy has been, the kind of core of our systems. We've seen some great KPI successes since we've put Nulogy in. Cost savings for our customers in the 7-figure range, inventory improvement to 97%, customer fill rate at 99%, and efficiency gains all through the business.
And part of protecting our customers' brands is using Nulogy. We're familiar with it, our customers familiar with it, and it helps our relationship and trust. When you're partnered with a company like Nulogy, people, process, technology, we have the people and processes down. Nulogy allows us to have the best technology in the industry, and oh, by the way, our customer uses it too. So now when we're going after a new customer or we're growing a relationship with a current customer/partner, Nulogy allows us to deepen our relationship, making decisions together knowing we're on the same page.